Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Doom Eternal game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable hints and tutorials within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Doom Eternal game on your device. And once you are inside the homepage, you can click on the gear icon at the bottom left or press the K button to enter the settings. Now within the settings page, underneath the game tab, you will see the tutorials as well as in-game tips. These are set to on by default. So if you wish to disable them, you can simply click on the checkbox and you will see a warning asking you whether you are sure that you want to turn this off. Press the yes button and now the tutorials will be disabled right away. You can follow the same step with in-game tips and now these are turned off. You can come back to this page at any point of time to once again turn them on if the game becomes too difficult. Now these options can also be found within the accessibility tab. Underneath gameplay, you can see the in-game tips as well as tutorial section, and you can check or uncheck these boxes as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable hints and tutorials on the Doom Eternal game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.